Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on instruction for starting a GCE VM on Colab via GCP Marketplace. Google Colab for short for Collaboratory is a widely used platform that provides free access to virtual machine equipped with powerful GPUs. Introduction: the power of combining Colab and GCE. Google Colab offers a fantastic environment for running Jupyter notebooks in the cloud with free access to GPUs. However, there are times when you require more computational power on a specific software configuration. Google Compute Engine on the cloud platform can provide this additional capability by integrating GCE VM into your Colab environment via the GCP Marketplace. You can seamlessly combine the strength of both platforms. Getting started: prerequisite and setting up your environment. Before you can begin running GCE VM on Colab, you will need to ensure that you have following in place: a Google account, access to Google Colab, an active GCP project with billing enabled. Accessing GCP Marketplace, browsing and selecting GCE VMs in Colab. Open a new notebook and navigate to edit notebook settings. In hardware accelerator down menu, select GPU for enhanced performance. Next, click on connect to GCP. A link to GCP Marketplace will be provided. Click on to access the marketplace and launching GCE and VM in Colab. A step-by-step guide is in the GCP Marketplace browser. Through available GCE VMs, you can filter VMs based your specific requirements such as GPU type and CPU power and operating system. Once you have selected a VM, click launch on Compute Engine. Using a GCE VM on Colab, making the most of your enhanced environment with the GCE VM now accessible within your Colab environment. You can run code within VM, access to enhanced computational capabilities, utilize the VM resources, intensive tasks for machine learning training or large-scale data processing, share and collaborate on documents notebook with colleagues who can access VM, manage and monitor VM uses and performance through GCP console. Benefit and uses case: why run GCE VMs on Colab? The combination of GCE and Colab offers several advantages: enhanced computational resource with access to GCE, powerful virtual machine, a scalable and cost-effective solution to meet your specific computing requirements, seamless integration of cloud-based VM with your Colab workflow, and collaboration capabilities that enable multiple users to access the VM. So, advanced tips and tricks: optimizing your workflow. To optimize your workflow when using GCE VM on Colab, consider these tips. Efficiently manage your VMs, starting and stopping them as needed to save on cost. Use Colab's GPU acceleration when performing tasks that can be offloaded to the Colab environment, reducing GCE uses. Keep an eye on your GCP billing and uses to ensure the cost control. In conclusion, expanding your Colab capabilities with GCE. Running the GCE VM on Colab via GCP Marketplace provides a seamless integration of two powerful cloud computing platforms. The combination of empower you to access additional computational resource, enhancing your ability to perform resource intensive tasks and collaborate with others. By following the step-by-step guide and best practices outlined in this article, you can harness the full potential of both Colab and GCE to advance your project and research. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any question about the topic, please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.